Welcome to the Mint Report, our wrap-up of the day's business news. Here are the top stories. Services growth accelerates in April. Rupee falls to 4-month low. And markets plunge into the red on Thursday. First up, new data indicates higher growth in India's services industry. The HSBC Business Activity Index for April has accelerated. The index stood at 52.8 for the month. In March, it was at 52.3. The latest spurt in growth seems to have come on the back of new business, including new employees. In other news, India's currency is in retreat once again. On Thursday, the rupee slipped to its lowest level in 4 months. It ended trade at 53.41 to the US dollar. India's uncertain economic outlook is causing the rupee to take a battering once again. Thursday's fall came despite suspected dollar buying from the Reserve Bank. And finally, Indian markets took a plunge on Thursday, with the Sensex registering its biggest fall in almost 3 weeks. The index tumbled 151 points to close at 17,151, and rival Nifty fell 51 to end trade at 5,188. Banks led the losses, with investors getting concerned about RBI's new guidelines on core capital ratios. The country's largest lender, SBI, dropped 2.5% on the BSE to 2,085, and ICICI Bank did worse, with a decline of 2.7% by the end of trade. HDFC Bank was an exception, gaining 0.5% to finish at 552 rupees and 55 paise. Hero MotoCorp was one of the biggest losers of the day. Its shares retreated 7.69% on the BSE a day after it posted disappointing earnings. Meanwhile, India's IT sector broke the mold and made gains on Thursday. The country's biggest software company, TCS, jumped up 1% to 1,280, and smaller rival Infosys gained 0.53% to close at 2,484 rupees and 35 paise. And that's all we have for you. Thanks for watching.